So let's come up to standing, feet hip distance apart and shoulders down and away from the ears. Make sure your toes are pointed forward, not to the side or slightly in. Lift the shoulders and roll them back and down. Inhale, lift the shoulders and exhale, roll them back and down. And once more, lift and roll. Sorry, I didn't pin myself. Taking the gaze to the right, center, and to the left, and center. Gaze to the right, and to the left. And once more to the right, and to the left. Head back to center, one ear toward the shoulder, breathing in the side of the neck. Rise the head back up, opposite ear towards the other shoulder, breathing in and out, and a rise in the head back up. Lift your arms up to shoulder height, palms facing down. Take the arms out to the side, palms facing me, and release the arms back down. Lift the arms forward, take the arms out to the side, gaze to the side, either side, and releasing. Lift the arms and gaze to the other side, and releasing down. So you can do this with your heels on the floor, or you can do it with your heels lifted. You could just have the heels slightly lifted, or really quite high. Let's make this your last one. So you're lifting the arms forward, taking the arms out to the side, gaze to one side, and then releasing back down. Great. Taking your legs wide, bend your knees, crossing the arms over in front, and then inhale, reach the arms up to the sky, bend the elbows so they roughly touch the opposite elbows, and releasing back down, bend the knees, maybe hinging forward ever so slightly. Inhale as you rise up, bend the elbows at the top, and exhaling as you release. Inhale, reach. Oh, bend the elbows. Exhale, release. And once more, inhale, reach. And exhale, release. Bring the feet a touch closer. Arms out to the side. Taking the left arm toward the right as you twist through that left foot as well. So you lift the left heel, pivot off the foot, twisting to the right. And then release. So arms back out to shoulder height. And then the other arm, right arm, reaches to the left. Lift the heel of the right foot, pivoting. And then back out. So you're exhaling as you twist, hands towards each other, lift that back heel as you twist through the foot. Inhale as you open. So as you twist through the foot turns in the direction of which your arms are pointing. Opening, reaching, and opening. And once more, reaching, and opening, and release the arms down, rolling out through the shoulders. Then from here, arms out to the side, coming to a side view for you, crossing over the arms in front, making a circle like a figure of 8, and then out to the side. So each of your arms is making that figure of 8. Arms out to the side, and then crossing over in front. Arms to the side, and then crossing over. So if you want to make this a little bit more about the upper back, you can drop the chin slightly as you cross the arms over in front. Rounding through the upper back. We try to keep that lower back nice and supported, so no arching through there. Just making this about the upper back, chin in towards the chest, or making it just about the shoulders. And once more. And releasing, rolling out through your shoulders. Taking the left arm out to the side. Right arm reaches across toward the side, and then all the way around and down. So you can keep your gaze forward, or you can follow your hand. Inhaling as you reach. Exhaling as you lower. Inhale as you reach. Exhale, lower, and once more, inhale, reach. And exhale, lower. Keep the arms there or lower them, depending on how achy they are. Other arm reaching across to the side, all the way around up to the sky and release. So your inhale, reaching. Exhale, releasing. So That's it, trying to have it as an open arm rather than the hand comes to the head and then lowering down. You want to reach to the arm, up to the sky, out to the side and release. So the shoulders in that opening position. And last one, inhale, reach. And exhale, release, rolling out through your shoulders. Bring the feet together, taking the arms to one side, forming a circle and the other. So from side to side, one side and the other. So you can either keep the legs straight or you could bend your knees as the arms come to one side to forming that circle and then across the other side. Or you could keep the knees bent fully, depending on how the knees felt with that. So you could bend and straighten, or you could just keep the knees bent, or you could keep the legs straight all the time, whichever suits you and your body today. If the shoulders are a bit achy, you need to make it smaller. Just make that smaller. And last one. Good. And releasing. Oh, I feel a bit puffed out. Okay. Feet out to the side, toes out to 10 and 2. Reach your arms out to the side, palms facing up. The left arm reaching over toward the right arm. And then inhale as you rise back up. Exhaling as you reach over. And inhale as you rise back up. So if you've got any heart conditions or uncontrolled blood pressure, in between, lower the arms down fully. Then rise the arms back up to shoulder height, arm overhead, and then release, and then lower. Otherwise, you're keeping your arms at shoulder height. Reaching. If it's too much, just have the hands by the legs, reaching over side to side. And last one. And release. Rolling out through your shoulders. Taking the weight into the right leg, hand to the top of the thigh. Make sure the knee doesn't go over the toe. Then reach your left arm up and over the head, reaching out through your fingertips. If that's too much, you can wrap the arm around the back of the body. Breathing into the side of the body, feeling a nice stretch. If you need to make it deeper, you can come down to the forearm. Most people are okay a bit higher up though. See what works for you. You're drawing the top shoulder back, so you're opening up nicely through the chest, and then draw the stomach in and rising back up. Switching sides. So the leg that you're bending, the left leg now, just turn the toes slightly further out rather than to the 2 o'clock on the clock. It'd be probably more at 3 o'clock. You might find that a little bit more comfortable. Bend the front leg, hand to the thigh. Right arm reaching up and over. So making sure the knee doesn't go over the toe. Also making sure the knee isn't coming forward or back. If you need to deepen it, you can drop down onto your forearm. Otherwise, keeping the hand on the leg. The right toes, make sure they're firmly planted, and the side of the foot's firmly planted as well, so it has a tendency to lift up. Breathing in. And breathing out. And as you breathe in, rising all the way back up, bringing the legs together, giving them a little shake out. Taking your hands to your waist, feet hip distance or slightly wider, rotating out through your hips. Breathing. And the other way. Good, and back to center. Right foot forward, left foot back, both toes facing the same way. Bend your front knee. So you can either keep the back leg straight or you could bend the back leg slightly, whichever suits you. Make sure again the knee isn't over the toes. Extend the arms out to the side and taking the hands to the shoulders. Twisting to the right side. Inhale as you come back to center, and then twisting to the left. Inhale, center. So from side to side, you're twisting. There won't be too much of a movement. Twisting and center and twist And center, release the arms, hands to the front thigh if you wish for extra support. Back foot joins the front. Switching legs, left foot forward, right foot back. Bend the front knee, option to bend the back knee or keep it straight. I've got my heel lifted off at the back. Arms out to the side, palms facing up. Hands to the shoulders, twisting to the left. Inhale, center, twisting to the right. Inhale, center. Twist to the left. Inhale, center, and the right. So as you twist, you're exhaling, drawing in belly, pulling up pelvic floor. Inhale, center, and last one, twisting. And center, release the hands to the front thigh. And bringing that back foot in, giving a shake out to the legs. Taking hold of your strap if you have one. If not, you can just do the same without a strap. Have a drink if you need one. That's definitely warmed me up. I hope so for you too. Okay, so feet hip distance apart. Again, toes facing forward rather than slightly out or in. Taking the arms up to shoulder height. Draw those shoulders back. So often we reach forward, we're drawing the shoulders back, so securing them in their sockets. And then from here, begin to lift the arms up until you feel enough of a stretch for you. And then releasing the arms back down to shoulder height. So you're reaching the arms up and releasing. And once more reaching up and releasing. Release the arms all the way down, rolling through the shoulder. So this time, maybe slightly wider with our strap, so the hands further apart. Bring the arms up to shoulder height, draw the shoulders back, reaching the arms up to the sky, allowing the right arm to reach behind you, and then rising back up. And then the left arm reaching behind you, option to follow the hand with your gaze. Inhale, rise back up. And releasing back down. So you're rising up, twisting to one side, twisting to one side, back to center, and then the other way, back to center, and releasing down, rolling out through your shoulders. Reaching the arms up to shoulder height. Actually, bring the hands a little closer for this one. So keep your right arm out in front and the left arm reaches out to the side, either shoulder height or maybe even further behind. And then inhale as you come back. So adjust your strap as you need to, if you need to bring the hands further away or closer. You're reaching the arm behind you, follow with the gaze if neck feels okay with that. And inhale, center. So your exhale as you're twisting. Inhale as you come back. Keep going. Exhale, twist. Inhale, release. And last one. Exhale as you twist away. Inhale as you release. Release the arms. And roll out through your shoulders. Taking the strap behind you. And then from here, extend the arms away, open up through your shoulders, lift and lengthen through the crown of the head. And from here, lift the heels, or keep the heels down if you need to. Reach the arms away, opening up through your chest, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And once more in. And out, and release, rolling out through your shoulders. Good, so our shoulders should feel lovely and stretched now. Let's take the band down for a moment. Taking the weight into your left leg, right leg out in front with the leg straight. And then from here, bring the hands together and the elbows together. Opening up the arms. As you open up the arms, keep the foot there. And then as you bring the hands and elbows towards each other, lower the heel back down. So inhaling as you open and exhaling as you release back down. Good. Inhale, opening. And exhale, releasing. Last one, opening. Releasing. Release the leg. Give a little shake out. Other foot onto the heel. So if you need to, you can just keep the heel down. We open the arms as you lift the foot. Lower the heel. Elbows, hands come back towards each other. Inhaling as you open. And exhaling as you lower. So if you need to, you can just do one arm holding onto something. Opening. And lowering. Keeping going. Exhale, open. Inhale, release. Exhale, open. Inhale, release. And last one. Exhale, open. Inhale, release. And releasing. Rolling out through your shoulders.